Today, we're unpacking 7 essential strategies that can supercharge your journey towards prosperity and fulfillment. So, if you're ready to take control of your future and build a solid foundation for wealth, stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content like this. Let's dive in. Number 1, avoid excessive saving, a common pitfall observed among many individuals, particularly those in their 20s or 30s. Instead of hoarding cash, it's imperative to recognize this stage as the outset of your income journey. Rather than passively accumulating savings, consider proactive investments in yourself. This pivotal period presents ample opportunities to shape your financial future by enhancing your knowledge and skills. By reinvesting in yourself, you pave the way for greater earning potential, whether through advancing in your career or fostering entrepreneurial endeavors. Consequently, allocating funds towards self-development enables you to not only secure financial stability, but also to save a portion of a higher income in the future. Number 2, avoid gatekeeping. Some individuals tend to hoard their knowledge or information, unwilling to share it due to a competitive mindset. This attitude can be frustrating. Consider the analogy from a podcast featuring Mr. Beast. Imagine 2 worlds. In the first, you work alone, putting in 12-hour days, making mistakes, and learning from them. In the second world, you have 4 friends doing the same thing. Each time one of them makes a mistake, they teach the group, accelerating everyone's progress. By helping each other, you collectively advance faster than someone working alone. Being hesitant to assist others or share information stems from a scarcity mindset, which hinders your own growth. Embrace an abundance mindset instead, recognizing that helping others doesn't diminish your own success. Rather, it fosters a supportive environment where everyone can thrive. Number 3, enhance your skills in unique ways. Being wealthy isn't solely determined by the amount of money you possess or how much you're stashing away. True wealth lies in your ability to rebuild yourself when faced with loss. Imagine losing your business, job, or assets. Could you bounce back? The key to such resilience lies in your skill set and knowledge. Therefore, developing yourself in distinctive ways is crucial, especially in your youth. By unique, I don't just mean acquiring more qualifications or credentials in your current field. It also involves creatively merging your existing skills with new ones from unrelated fields. The more unconventional the combination, the more invaluable you become. Consider the healthcare sector, for instance. Doctors and dentists were once limited by the number of patients who physically visited their clinics. However, many are now utilizing digital platforms like social media and YouTube to disseminate knowledge, vastly expanding their reach. Look for skills that are intricate, making them challenging for others to replicate quickly. These skills should also offer value or address a problem. Once they are identified, infuse them with your personality. This blend is essential because we're entering an era where AI is poised to take over various tasks, from content creation to data analysis. In this landscape, your personality becomes more valuable than ever. While AI can gather and present information, it cannot replicate emotional intelligence or your unique perspective. In essence, the you in what you do remains irreplaceable. Number 4, transform your active income into passive income. Converting your active income into passive income is a game changer. Many of us kickstart our careers with traditional 9-to-5 jobs, which often lack scalability. There's a prevailing belief that one must trade time for money, a reality for about 90% of viewers here. It's time to reconsider this financial equation. The ultimate objective is to leverage your existing skills and knowledge from your day job into streams of passive income. Let me illustrate this with an example. Steve Shoga, a developer by profession, harnessed his expertise by compiling it into an ebook. This venture generated a staggering $2.3 million for him. He identified a niche within his field, focusing on enhancing design skills for developers. It's a narrow but lucrative niche, perfectly suited to his abilities. Number 5, keep an eye on emerging trends in the business world. In the realm of business and finance, timing is crucial. There often exists a prime opportunity, a specific window of time when entering a particular market that can provide a significant advantage. It's about recognizing trends or patterns before they become widespread and leveraging that insight. Take Tesla, for instance. They had the foresight to identify a growing trend in the automotive industry toward energy efficiency. While other companies were still contemplating, Tesla seized the opportunity and became a pioneer in the field. They understood the direction the industry was heading and positioned themselves at the forefront. While many competitors have since caught up, Tesla initially capitalized on the trend, even though it now faces pressure to adjust its pricing. Number 6. Establish an investment account. There's a famous saying that highlights the importance of planning ahead, as someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. If you're in the UK, consider opening an individual savings account, ISA. If you're in the US, look into opening a Roth IRA as soon as you turn 18. These are tax-advantaged investment accounts where your earnings grow tax-free. The reason for initiating this process as early as possible isn't necessarily to amass significant wealth immediately. As a young adult, you may not have a substantial sum to invest in the stock market right away. Instead, the goal is to familiarize yourself with the investment process involving stocks and shares. This helps overcome the mental barriers that often deter people from investing. Many individuals in their late 20s and 30s earn decent incomes but have never considered investing. They may believe it's only for the wealthy or consider it too risky and complex. Starting with small amounts, even just $5 or $10, can break down these mental and emotional barriers. Therefore, it's advisable to begin investing at a young age rather than waiting until you have amassed considerable wealth. Number 7. Opt for index funds. It's a straightforward yet highly effective method to diversify your investment portfolio and boost your returns over time. Index funds allow you to own a small fraction of numerous companies simultaneously. For instance, if you invest in the S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially investing in the top 500 performing companies in the US. Similarly, investing in the FTSE 100 means you're investing in the top 100 companies in the UK all at once. This strategy is preferable for most individuals compared to hand-picking individual stocks because it spreads your investment across a broad range of companies, reducing risk. Index funds are a prudent choice for anyone seeking exposure to the stock market without excessive risk. Starting early enables you to leverage the power of compounding. However, it's crucial to recognize that investing in index funds is a long-term endeavor. Overnight wealth isn't realistic. That's why I've ranked this 7th on my list. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I hope you find these tips as valuable as I did. Remember, success isn't just about saving money. It's about investing in yourself and seizing opportunities when they arise. So let's break free from that scarcity mindset and embrace abundance together. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And share this video with your friends so they can join the journey too. Together, we can all level up our financial game and achieve our dreams. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome. Cheers, and catch you in the next one.